Hello. I am capital letter Y.
Hi, letter Y. Nice to meet you.
Hello. I am small letter Y.
Hi, small letter Y. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am yelling letter Y. That's who I am. Y. Let's say Y. We are yelling Ys. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. Y. Let's clap our hands to letter Y.
Y. Let's clap our hands to letter Y.
Who are you?
I am Yippee, the yelling yellow yak.
Yak, the yachtsman, is on a voyage across the Pacific Ocean. What's this?
It's a yak.
What's this?
The yogurt is yummy. I love it. Come and try it.
What's this?
It's a sunny side app. A yummy breakfast treat. The yolks are yellow like the sun.
What's this?
Yellow is the color of the sun and the sunflower.
What is he doing?
The boy is yelling.
What's this?
It's a yo-yo.
Yak, the yachtsman, is on a honeymoon voyage across the Pacific Ocean.
The yachtsman, yak's voyage. The yak is a yachtsman, brave and bold, on a yacht that is painted in yellow and gold. He's on a voyage, a honeymoon trip, sailing the ocean on his beautiful ship. For breakfast, he eats a yummy treat. Yogurt and yolk are what he likes to eat. He sits at the table and gives a loud yell. The food is delicious, and I'm feeling swell. When the waves are calm and the sun is bright, he plays with his yo-yo from morning to night, up and down. The yo-yo does go as the yellow sun begins to glow. Yell. He lets out a loud and happy yell. I love the sea, and I love to sail across the waves. His voice rings clear. The best vacation of the year.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter Y. Today, yak, yacht, and yogurt. Hooray! See you next time. Don't be late for letter P. It will be great.